Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun flip card using the Sweet as a Peach bundle. This is the Sweet as a Peach bundle. It's part of the You're a Peach suite, and it has these beautiful images that are distinctive. So they have this texture on them, and the dies cut out the images, and there's a little label die for some of the sentiments. There are these extra dies for leaves, this branch, and some flowers. And then the designer series paper is also part of the suite. It's on sale this month of July. Instead of $11.50 US, it's $9.78. It has these beautiful watercolored images. Love the watercolor, so pretty. Love all the flowers, the stripes, polka dots. And then there are also these mini jam jars. There's 6 to a package. You can decorate them, put treats in them, candy, jam. You just have to remember that these are plastic, so don't put anything hot in them. Just wait till it cools before you put any jam or anything else in them. So those are all the items in the suite. Now for the card, it is a flip-flap card. It uses the same mechanism as a waterfall card, but you just have 2 pieces that flip. So you're going to start with a regular card base, 4 1/4 by 11, and you're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to use any DSP piece that you want, 4 by 5 1/4, and you're just going to adhere. You could do this side, whatever side. I just wanted to do a neutral side because I really wanted my images that I stamped to pop. So I'm just going to do this neutral Pear Pizzazz piece here. And then you're going to have a strip of 6, let me double check it here, 6 1/4 by 2, because you want to use a tag topper punch. You can use any tag topper punch that you want. There are 2 tag topper punches in the catalog, so you can pick either one, doesn't matter. And then you want a strip of 5 by 1/2 inch, and then just a couple of design pieces. So these are, let's see, 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. You want 2 of those, and then you want 3 that are 2 1/2 by 2 1/2 in basic white. Okay, so those are all the pieces that you will need, and we are going to stamp these 3 pieces. So you have one on the front, one behind it, and then one underneath. So I'm just going to get a little piece of scratch paper to stamp 2 of them. And then I've got Pear Pizzazz, and I'm just going to use that for this piece right here. And I'm going to stamp one of these coming this way, and the other one going the other way. And then I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday on the 3rd one, and the Pear Pizzazz in the middle. It could be dark. So that's all my Pear Pizzazz pieces. And then I'm going to do the peaches in Pale Papaya and Calypso Coral. So I've got the peaches on both sides. So I'm just going to stamp in the Pale Papaya, and then just a little bit of Calypso Coral to kind of go around the edges, maybe a little bit in the middle. And then we're going to line those up. There's like little divots for the stems so that you can see where to line those up. They don't have to be perfect, but you see how the Calypso Coral gives it a nice multi-dimensional look. It looks more dimensional, and it looks more like a peach. So this time, I'm just going to rotate it this way to make it easier for myself. Okay, so more peaches. So we got our 2 peaches going different ways. So we got those. Now I'm gonna do the flowers. So same thing with the flowers. So pale papaya, and then some calypso coral kind of on the edges and in the middle. So I'll do some up over here in this corner, and then I'll do some down in the other bottom corner. Happy birthday. And then I love doing this little, tiny little stamp, this little like starburst in the middle of the flowers. Just kind of finishes the flowers off. Super cute. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna put this card together. And we're just going to adhere one of these to our bottom piece. I got ink on me, of course. Can't stamp without getting ink on yourself. So just clean that. And then continue adhering. Oops, I already put adhesive there. Oh well. Okay, this one we're gonna put on both sides. Oh, I forgot to stamp "To a Sweet Friend." So we need to do "To a Sweet Friend." Where did I put that? To a Sweet Friend. There we go. To a Sweet Friend. Okay. And we can adhere that on the front. So that's going to go on the front, and then it's going to flip this way. So then we're going to put this on the back. So it's going to go this way. Okay, so now we got those pieces taken care of. We've got this piece. So now we need to, close that. And I've already scored this, and I've scored it at 2 1/4 and 2 3/4 here. And we're gonna fold it, this way with the two, where you punch the tag topper punch, that's gonna be in front. And so the shorter side's in back. And then we're gonna have the first fold and the second fold. And we're just gonna put some tear and tape. We're gonna do 2 pieces. And we're gonna do them on both tabs. So one on the top tab, one on the bottom. And we're just going to adhere our 2 squares on here. So we're gonna do the happy birthday one first, because that's our bottom one, and we're gonna just center that on here. Hopefully that's centered, so this should just barely show. And then we'll peel this up. And we'll place this one next on top. Just line that up with the top, and then line the sides up with the sides down here. Okay, that's gonna go on top. Okay, so now we have it on here. So now we're gonna take these 2 pieces, our tag topper punch and our back piece right here. We're gonna take this long piece and we're gonna slide it here, in here, between our square piece and our 2-inch tag topper piece. And we're just gonna fold this around like a belly band. And we're just gonna put a little piece of adhesive here. Just adhere that together. And then we're gonna put some adhesive here. You can do glue or double-sided adhesive. I'm just gonna run a little bit of double-sided adhesive here, and I did it right up against the edge of this shorter piece right here. And then I'm gonna scoot the belly band down there, and I'm gonna adhere the belly band down to that piece of adhesive there, so that only this piece will be free. Okay, but this piece is attached. So you can kind of see this piece here can move. Okay, so it's a little bit like a waterfall card mechanism. And then we're gonna glue this whole piece, this piece right here, down to the card. So just this piece here. So we're just gonna put adhesive on here. And you can put adhesive on the belly band. Then we're just gonna center that on here. And there we have the flip flap card. Flip flap card, or flip book card, or flip card. Really fun. So I saw this from another card maker. I thought it would be fun to create my own card. And last little element is to make a little bow with ribbon to kind of, or you could just tie something around the end of the tag topper punch. But you could just do a little bow. I just kind of want to hide the hole in the tag topper punch there a little bit. I'm just gonna cut these a little bit shorter. And then just put it on a glue dot. And then just put it like a little bit below the hole there. And then it kind of disguises it a little bit. And then it's just this cute little happy birthday. So cute. So fun. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this card and learned how to make this card, and that you'll make one too. I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle, and it supplies for these 6 cards. We have a nice background card and a crate full of peaches card and a keyhole easel card. So it's like this. Super cute. So just go to my website and use the current hostess code to purchase the Sweet as a Peach bundle, and email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make this card in this video. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other videos on the Sweet as a Peach bundle. I hope you enjoyed them as well. And I will see you next time. Bye.